Hello guys, welcome to Sama School of Economics. Today I am going to discuss a very important topic, that is UGC and NET GRF Paper 1 Teaching Aptitude Previous Year Question and its answer 2007 June and December. If you want to watch such kind of video, please subscribe and like our channel. Watch the video till the end. Let's start the video and learn something new. First question: teacher uses visual aids to make learning. Option: A. Simple. B. More knowledgeable. C. Quicker. D. Interesting. The teacher uses visual aids to make learning or interesting. The D will be right answer. Question number 2. Teacher's role at the higher education level is provide information to students, promote self-learning in students, to encourage healthy competition among students, D. help students to solve their personal problem. Correct answer will be B. promote self-learning in student. Question number 3. Which one of the following teachers would you like the most? The punctual, having research aptitude, C. loving and having highly idealistic philosophy, D. who often amuses with his student. Which will be right answer? B. Next, 4. Micro teaching is most effective for the student and teacher during the practice teaching, after the practice teaching, before the practice teaching, none of the above. Which is right answer? During A is right answer. During the practice teaching. Okay. Question number 5. Which is the least important factor in teaching? Punishing the student, maintaining discipline in class, lecturing in improving way, the drawing sketches and diagrams of the blackboard on the blackboard. Correct answer will be punishing the student is least important factor in teaching. Next question. Value education makes a student good citizen, a successful businessman, a popular teacher, a efficient manager. Right answer will be good citizen. Value education makes a student good citizen. Okay. Next, question number 1. Verbal guidance is least effective in learning of aptitudes, skills, attitudes, relationships. Which will be right answer? Skill. Verbal guidance is less effective in the learning of skill. Okay. Question number 2. Which is the most important aspect of this teacher's role in learning? Option: the development of insight into what constitutes an adequate performance. B. the development of insight into what constitutes the pitfalls and dangers to be avoided. C. the provision of encouragement and moral support. D. the provision of continued diagnostic and remedial help. Which will be the right answer? A is the right answer. The development of insight into what constitutes an adequate performance. Okay. Question number 3. The most appropriate purpose of learning is personal adjustment, modification of behavior, social and political awareness, and preparing oneself for employment. Right answer: modification of behavior. The most appropriate purpose of the learning is modification of behavior. Question number 4. The students who keep on asking questions in the class should be: option: encouraged to find answer independently. Be advised to meet the teacher after class. C. Encouraged to continue in questioning. D. Advised not to disturb during the lecture. Right answer, encouraged to find answer independently. Last question, question number 5. Maximum participants of students is possible in teaching through discussion method, lecture method, audio visual method, text book method. Right answer, discuss method. Thank you for watch our video.